Can I increase the volume of my Sharp TV using the buttons on the TV?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a common issue you might face: increasing the volume of your Sharp TV using just the buttons on the TV. Don't worry if you've lost your remote or if the batteries have run out. There's a simple way to control your TV's volume manually. Let's dive in.
Identifying the control buttons.
Sharp TVs often come with a set of control buttons located on the TV itself. These buttons may be found on the side, bottom, or the back of the TV depending on the model. They usually include power, menu, input, channel, and volume buttons. To increase the volume, we need to locate the volume button.
Increasing the volume.
Once you have located the volume buttons, it's straightforward. To increase the volume, press or hold the button labeled with a plus sign or an upward pointing arrow. This will increase the volume level of your TV. You will see the volume level on the screen changing as you press the button. Keep pressing until you've reached your desired volume level.
Are the buttons not working?
In some rare cases, the buttons on the TV might not be responsive. If you find that the volume buttons aren't working as expected, your TV may need a hard reset or there could be a hardware issue. Before jumping to conclusions, make sure the button isn't jammed or obstructed. And that's it. That's how you can increase the volume on your Sharp TV without a remote. It's always useful to know how to operate your devices manually in case of any unforeseen circumstances. Remember, the plus or the upward arrow sign is your go-to for volume increase. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Happy viewing!